Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here at Our Lady Refuge Catholic School in West Bloomfield, Michigan. And it was a beautiful day. I got to speak to the kindergartners all the way through the 8th graders today. We built upon the program when I was here last time visiting about bullying, looking at one's heart first, just like Christ sees all of our hearts first, seeing people like you see your own best friend. And we took that a step further today, up a level, to talk about diversity, right? All of our differences, both on the outside and on the inside, but the sub-theme being need human kindness. And just like the shirt shows here, the peace sign inside of the heart, the whole idea is that that's where peace has to start. And the Prince of Peace, Jesus Christ, being our perfect example, that we look to him for how we're supposed to treat people, not only ourselves, but how we treat others. And we see the worth in everybody around us, right? We really work to respect everyone. And just like we know this worth, we're reminded of this on the palm of our hands. Every one of us with the lines on each of our hands, on our palms, have the letter M. And this M stands for miracle, right? In Isaiah 49 it says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof. Upside down W for worthy of God's love to give it and to receive it. And that once we understand that and know our worth as a child of God, that now we can go out and be the light to someone else's heart and try to show them this kindness. And it's so important to show it too, because what we also talked about is that when I show kindness to someone else, it's not just that person, it's anybody else that's witnessing that, right? So if somebody else hears those kind words or sees the positive action, it could affect their heart too. And once they're hopefully open to receiving that into their heart, it might change them. It might transform them. So it's our job to be inclusive, to include everybody, no matter their background or culture or skin color or socioeconomic status, whatever divides us. We need to have that be something that starts to unify us, right? So again, it was just a beautiful time with all the students. Got to have lunch with the middle schoolers too, and they got to share their hearts with me as well. And it was just an awesome opportunity to really hammer home this concept of Christ's love for all of us. The one thing that God cannot do, and that's stop loving us. So until next time, much love. And as always, don't forget to hit the bell that'll be on your screen here to receive notifications and updates of future videos like this one. Make sure to subscribe at the link that you'll see on the screen as well. And make sure to check out the website, mrpeace.org, for other information about my journey across this country, as well as the playlist that you'll see on the screen for other amazing clips just like this one, as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Much love. Peace.